What's going on, everybody? Your boy AC Custom in the house, and today I'm going to take you on a little trip behind the scenes of our metal CNC manufacturing team in China. This is from my trip last week. You're going to get to see how the raw materials go from raw until the spinner wheels that you know and you love. Check it out. Let me know if you have any questions. Make sure you love, like, and subscribe. I hope you have fun. It was fun for me. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you. See ya. All right, so what do we have here? I'm gonna. Yeah. So this is the semi-raw material. This is the round piece after the raw material.
Yeah.
Okay.
And we'll sculpture, machining, many shapes here.
Got it. Very cool. Aww. Looks like my dog, man.
Yeah, dog.
Oh, I do, yeah. Very, very similar to that.
Oh, really? Your product.
There's my product.
Yeah, first step.
First step, raw material before it gets cut. Beautiful.
Yeah.
So what's the difference between this part and that part over there, and the other side?
This machine only do the round things.
Okay,
round.
so they cut it round. So the raw material, which is that would be the raw material right there, right? The posts.
Yeah.
And then they come here, they get cut,
Cut and do the round.
and then they become the little round.
Round products are use the lathe. Use the lathe.
There it is. But right now it's getting cut into round pieces, which will then become a wheel later on. Ooh. All right, so we're headed into the assembly department and the quality control now of the wheels. All sorts of skills. Hello, ni hao. That's about it. That's all I know how to say.
这个就是你的
Oh my God.
Your new
Oh my
products.
God. Oh, no, look at that. That's amazing. That's beautiful. Yeah, my babies, yeah.
你跟他说，我们只要图纸画出来，
This is why you come here. You come here to get good stuff. Look at that.
所以说有问题的话，就是在图纸设计的时候就要确认。
Oh. Yeah. The
New
joint.
is coming.
What is the joint? And
是紧配的，
嗯
就是需要用
哦
力给它压进去，它轴承不会掉出来，不是说像沾胶水一样。
we use this machine to put in the bearing, so it's very tight.
So the bearing goes in now. Got it.
It's not glued. We do not use the glue. We use this one. Push the bearing.
Look at that.
Yeah.
Wow. That is the process of the bearing going in.
Yeah.
That's amazing. All right, new AC custom wheels coming soon.
清洗，
It's a half finished product.
这些全都是。
后面还要
Those are nice. I like that color too.
轮子我们做太多了。
we do a lot
Look at
of
this.
wheels.
These are probably 1/18 scale, I believe. 1/18 scale in red and gold. That's beautiful, man.
然后没那啥时间，全部都是，它这些全部都是不同的颜色，不同的款式。
It's like hubcaps.
这个我们很多颜色我们都可以做哦。We can do any color.
Yeah, I know. I know.
贴塑胶的，
What are these?
This plastic. 这是塑料的。
不是铝合金加塑胶。
It's aluminum and plastic. 塑料嘛，是吧？
铝合金加塑胶。
塑胶Aluminum and rubber. Rubber.
加塑胶，对，都是塑胶。
塑胶跟塑料不一样哦。
铝合金，我跟他说吧。
有啊 ，aluminum。
aluminum 加塑胶。跟他说这些全部都是导轮全都。
This is amazing. This is the sauce. This is how the stuff gets made in the back here. And the lady's working hard over there, installing the bearings. It is some crazy stuff. Amazing. And then from the raw material into the big round circles, they become these little spots here. These are basically semi-finished, semi-raw material here. This is what the wheels eventually is going to come out of. And they go through these big boys here for cutting, CNC machining. It's crazy the amount of money that these machines probably cost. Really, really cool. And then as you guys saw before, they will become the little 1/64 scale wheels, just like as I showed you. And then it's up to you guys to do whatever you want with them. Look how many machines. They got at least probably about 10 to 12 machines on this side and 10 to 12 cutting machines on the other side. So each machine has a different chore here. Amazing, very, very, very impressive, man. There's my boy Alvin. Alvin and Ryan, these are my friends right here. Say hello, guys. All right, here we go. We're in the reception room right now. I'm about to show you guys what we have here. Check out the goods that these guys can make. If you see anything that you like, comment below, let me know, hit me up. Let's take a look at the stuff that they can make. It's amazing. You ready for this? All the stuff is made out of metal, aluminum, galvanized. Oh. Check these out, guys. These are just accessories for all sorts of scales. Check that out. Check out the calipers, the brake pads, the casings for engines. The tires, I don't think the tires are made here, but obviously it can be made. These are the bigger scales wheels. There's some of the 1/64 wheels that you guys have seen from me. We're gonna be working on a lot more models. I just dropped off a few of my models that I wanted to work on. I'm so happy I came here, guys. This is a bunch of stuff. So nice. Everything's so nice. These are all aluminum, by the way, all metal. Machine cuts. Check these out. Check that out. Check out the dual colors. Oh, look at that. Look at that big cylinder boy right there. That's a great, that'll be great for a dually. Great for a dually. Got some more stuff here. Some of their awards. Very, very cool, man. I'm so excited. You guys will see what's coming next. We'll be talking about what's going to be coming next. A lot of stuff is actually already in production and a lot more. Oh, look at that. That's so cool. Yo, check out the cars in the driveway. $100,000 Mercedes. Anyway, that's it for me, guys. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you soon.